Let's say you work in HR and get a message from an employee at your company requesting a change in their direct deposit information. You take care of it quickly and everything's great, until you learn that the money has been rerouted to an identity thief. Unfortunately, fraud like this is even more common than you think. Criminals can hack email accounts, create look-alike email addresses, comb social media for password clues, alter the payment instructions on an invoice, steal confidential information, and more. And to make matters worse, much of the money lost through wire fraud can never be recovered. At Pinnacle, we know our clients. To prevent fraud, we make sure requests to withdraw funds, change information, authorize payments, open or close accounts, and provide account details come from the rightful owners or authorized agents of those accounts. We're here to help our clients perform due diligence too, so you can be confident you're dealing with an authorized person providing a legitimate request. For starters, here are some ways to spot possible fraud. If funds have been sent to the beneficiary in the past, look for changes in the routing and account number or the mailing address. Look for suspicious changes from past invoices, such as time of month, payment type or terms, or other inconsistencies. For example, a fax to Joe is now an email to Joseph. Confirm that an officer in your organization requested payment for a new vendor or service provider. To confirm the identity of someone requesting funds or information, don't use the email address or a phone number in the message or invoice. Instead, use the known and trusted number or address in your system. If you received a request for payment from an internal source, make verbal contact using your company's internal phone list to confirm authenticity. Look for any unnecessary urgency or pressure to send funds quickly, or grammatical errors or unusual language, like please revert back to me once the payment has been issued. If you see any of these red flags, stop the payment request and look into it further. What happens if you determine a payment or information request is fraudulent? First, notify your IT and security teams, as well as your finance or treasury department leader. Let them know if you suspect an email breach occurred, or if information was stolen from your office or from one of your vendors. Finally, contact your Pinnacle team to alert them of the fraud attempt, where the breach occurred, and how it was identified and is being addressed. While fraud is prevalent, it's also preventable, and Pinnacle is here to help. Please contact your financial advisor if you would like more advice.